name's Nicole, and today I'm going to be trying out a new product from Heat Transfer Source. They have added a bunch of sublimation blanks to their website, so I went ahead and ordered a few things, and today I'm going to be trying out the white rectangle ceramic decor plaque here. Okay, so in the box you will receive the ceramic tile here, and then also a corkboard backing that you can put on the tile. It has an adhesive sticker to peel off to apply that to the back when you're done pressing, and then also a piece of twine to tie on when you're done. So I have printed out my sublimation print on my printer. So what I did was just measure this here and made my print a little bit bigger to make sure I'm covering the whole tile. So what I'm going to do is tape that on there now. I'm going to put my print down and then the tile right on top of it. Okay. All right, so now I'm just going to attach some heat tape to make sure the tile isn't going to be sliding around anywhere. And I have my press preheating right now. The directions say 400 degrees for 5 minutes, light pressure. So let's move on over to the press and I will show you how it's pressed. Okay, so we are over at the press now. I have it preheated. My press is only preheated to 385 because it runs a little hot, but the directions say 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Ceramic tile does take a little bit longer than something like a shirt or some other kind of polyester material. You may only press for 60 seconds. So I have my ceramic tile here with my image taped down to it. So I'm going to turn it over. You want to make sure the sublimation print is up. So they recommend light pressure. So before I heated up my press, I did put the tile in here just to make sure that the pressure was light and it wasn't too heavy. You don't want to break your ceramic tile. I put some butcher paper down on my press just to protect my press from getting any ink on it at all. So I'm going to go ahead and set this in the middle here, make sure it's straight and how I want it. And then I'm going to cover it and then press it down. So what I'm going to do is just set a timer for 5 minutes so I don't have to mess with putting my press up to that many seconds. And I will pause this video and pop back on right before I take it out. Okay, so it has been 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and lift it up here. Now be careful, this is going to be extremely hot. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the bottom tray a little bit and take a look at it. Use my little oven mitt here and see if I can get the paper off. So it looks like I may have done it a little bit too much time. Next time I'm going to have to try a little bit shorter time. You can see the orange here. Once it cools off, I'll get a little bit better of a picture. It still turned out really beautiful, but the little orange marking here means it had a little bit too much time. It may mean my press is running a little bit hot, or I need to just try it for maybe 4 minutes. But once it cools off, I'll get you guys a better picture of it. Okay, so now that it's cooled off, I can give you a little bit closer picture here. Here is the orange I was talking about. It's not bad. Still a gorgeous sign. Next time I might press it for a little bit shorter of a time. Like I said, my heat press does run a little bit warm, so that just may have been it. Sometimes you have to play with your time and temp a little, but I think it turned out great. I'm going to go ahead and put the corkboard backing on it and the string, and I will be sure to attach a picture. Thank you.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.